Moment of truth. See what it says. Let's take a gander. We're going for 5. Check it out. 5,007. Woo! Big moment. I just can't believe 5,000 people like my stuff. It's pretty cool, man. I know I can get you there too. You ready?
You're talking to the people right now. This is for the people.
I'm talking to everybody.
Well, this is okay.
Mainly, I'm talking to you.
Okay. He's talking to me too. I'm honored.
Well, if I can do it, come on, you can do it.
Yeah, for sure.
It's gonna happen, man.
Look at this. You're at 5,000.
Mm-hmm.
You're at a beautiful location.
Let's do it.
Let's make it happen.
Let's go give the people what they want.
Woo!
I could spend my days in a lazy boy in a mansion on a hill, or catch a fast train straight to New Orleans, or a slow ship down to Cozumel. I could waste away my spare time watching football with my friends, but I'd rather get my rod and reel and go fishing when I can. I wanna go fishing 'cause it takes my stress away. I wanna go fishing, try and cast my blues away.
I stopped recording when I wanted to record.
That's how you get your cold, see?
What? Oh, all right. We got the master at work here,
I cried.
doing what he does, getting that product placement. Yeah. We're out here on planet Earth. And you can tell it's planet Earth because of the way it looks. And we're fly fishing, making some, if you can see my GoPro there, doing a little time lapse. There it is.
I wanna go fishing, I don't want to watch the clock, I wanna go fishing.
I cut my finger yesterday, not once, but twice. And then this morning I cut my finger again right there, or my thumb. Just being careless. This is really cool area. Look at this. This is fantastic. If you kind of see this whole ridge line, and then if you look up, it just constantly goes. And then it'll go into that big rock and then all the way out there. And this used to be, I'm assuming, a huge river. And you can see kind of the sediment settle into stuff. And it's honestly kind of crazy to think about how this river used to be all the way up there. Just all the way up there. And now it's just turned into this. And who knows, maybe in 100 years it'll fill back up to that point. You never know. So I highly doubt it, but whatever. That's God's in control of that, so whatever he wants to do, that's what he wants to do. So it's been a great day, yesterday and today. We've only stayed here for one day, but we're gonna head out here in a little bit. And what time is it right now? Do you know what time it is? I don't. My phone's in my hand. I'm recording, so I can't tell. Oh, hold on, because I gotta watch. We're gonna head out of here maybe in like an hour or two. Who knows? Maybe sooner. But yeah, it's been a good 2 days. I'd say so. We walked this whole river. Not the whole river. Sorry.
About a mile and a half of it.
A mile and a half of it. It was great. It was cold. I'd say it was cold to begin with, but I got used to it. I'm kind of a wuss when it comes to cold water. But yesterday was pleasant. It was a pleasant surprise for me to not cry the whole time. And
Pleasant for me too.
was it pleasant for you too?
No, you didn't cry.
Oh. And that's all. That's all I've got. Here's some more footage of this great landscape. Ta-da! We're out here in the Wychis River, living it up with Nathan. We're out here just doing our thing, getting all wet and soaked and just living it up. And yeah, it's a river here, and you can tell it's a river because of the way it is. And so yeah. Yeah.
There's nothing like a morning bite when the fish are eating well, or a new crankbait that's running straight over a rocky ledge.
Nice little guy. He went through the net.
Weekend comes and work gets done. I got one thing on my mind. I wanna go fishing, 'cause it takes my stress away. I wanna go fishing, try and cast my blues away. I wanna go fishing, I don't wanna watch the clock. I wanna go fishing, I don't ever wanna stop. I wanna go fishing, 'cause it takes my stress away. I wanna go fishing, try and cast my blues away. I wanna go fishing.
Nice little guy. Look at him cruising and all. He's flying. Well, I just got to get him in the air and then do my best to, just pop him off. So, or he'll do it himself. Hey, man, he got that quick.
I can't wait to leave the dock. I wanna go fishing, I don't ever wanna stop. It's what I love, it's number one on my list of things to do. I wanna go fishing, that's what I wanna do. Yeah, I wanna go fishing, that's what I wanna do.
Got a drone. I've got a view. I've got a partner here. Partner. I've got a guy. I've got people, places, and things. Let's see what it looks like. There's my truck. There's this man. We've made it. We've done it. What was that?
One thing I've learned on this trip, you got to get the right gear.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the right gear is essential. The right gear. All right, well, he sits. I'm gonna go unload. And then, yeah, that's it for this trip. We're done. We're gonna go home and
Good stuff.
And just eat food and sleep and enjoy God's great creation.